Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a green smoothie that is high in fiber. It will help to suppress your appetite so you can lose weight, improve your digestion, and make your skin to glow. So stay tuned. So to make this green smoothie, I'll be making use of chia seed. I have water in the bowl, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seed. Chia seed is high in fiber, protein, magnesium. It will help to suppress your appetite by making you feel full, improve your blood sugar level. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of chia seed into the water and allow to soak for about 10 minutes. I'll be making use of half apple, so I'm going to cut the apple into smaller pieces. Apple is high in fiber and it will help to suppress appetite. Here I have a handful of spinach. Spinach is so good for weight loss. It will help to improve blood circulation and also make your skin to glow. I'm making use of 2 kiwis. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. Kiwi is high in fiber, protein, and vitamin C. So after about 10 minutes, the soaked chia seed is ready. So I'm going to add the chia seed into the blender. So I will start by adding all the ingredients into the blender. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a good source of protein. Greek yogurt will help to improve your metabolism so that you can burn fat. So when I'm done adding the Greek yogurt, I'll be adding a little water. You can replace this by adding orange juice. Then I'm going to cover the blender and blend until smooth. Finally, the green smoothie is ready. This green smoothie will help to improve your immunity, improve your digestion, make your skin to glow. It will help to keep your hair healthy and make your bones strong. This smoothie is high in protein and fiber, and it will help to suppress your appetite while you lose weight. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.